Well, if you're in the market for a 20,000 mAh power bank, you must definitely check out this Romoss Sense 6PS Plus. Never heard of this brand? Alright, let me talk to you about this particular brand and I'll tell you why I chose the Romoss Sense 6PS Plus. Generally, I would advise people not to buy a 20,000 mAh power bank, but definitely there are some reasons which warrant a need for a 20,000 or a higher capacity of power bank. Romoss is a brand which is specialized in making power banks, and they have a good reputation for it as well. I was plowing through Amazon India and found out that Romoss sells their power banks in India as well. The one I chose is a Romoss Sense 6PS Plus. It cost me around rupees 1960 and I had to submit an ID proof because it is an imported product. But yet the product was delivered to me in 2 days. It was delivered in a very simple looking package, and opening up the package you would see the power bank and a user manual, nothing else. I was expecting a cable, but that's the fact, you don't get anything else in the box. This Romoss Sense 6PS Plus power bank weighs about 431 grams. There is a newer model called the Romoss L20 Pro. The only difference I could figure out so far is a better looking display, that's it. But the fact that this power bank has a display definitely caught my attention. This display on the power bank not only shows the remaining capacity but also talks to you about the voltage and the ampere passing through the power bank at any point in time. You just have to click the buttons on the side to light up the display. On the top you would find 5 power ports. The micro USB and the lightning ports are input ports. The USB Type-C port is an input and an output port, and then we have a regular fast charging output port and also a quick charging output port. One of the many reasons I advise people against buying a high capacity power bank is the fact that this power bank by itself takes a lot of time to charge. With the Romoss Sense 6PS Plus, if you have a 18-watt charger, that charger can charge this power bank in about less than 6 hours. The quick charge port and the USB Type-C port can deliver 18-watt output. You can verify the speed of the charging by looking at the display in it. In my experience, the charging speed was very good. I was able to charge 4 mobiles, each having a 4000 mAh battery in it, which translates to roughly about 80% efficiency in this power bank. That's quite normal and expected in any power bank. But what is good about Romoss power banks is that even over the time, the battery output efficiency does not reduce drastically. This particular model, Romoss Sense 6PS Plus, apart from having all the safety standards built in, also supports pass-through charging. To sum it up, I see a lot of advantages on this power bank, which has a display which is very meaningful and helpful. It has all kinds of inputs and output ports, and it supports quick charge as well. The only downside I see that this doesn't come with any good cable in the box. Having a good cable is definitely mandatory to get the best out of any power bank or fast charger. If you choose an inferior cable, you would not only get slower speed, but it will also be degrading the life of the power bank and also the device you are charging. So make sure that you choose a good original cable for all your charging needs. I am definitely impressed with the Romoss Sense 6PS Plus. They have power banks in various capacities. Right from 5000 to 30,000 mAh, they have a wide range of power banks. If you like to buy them, I'll leave a link to buy them in the description below. I hope this video was useful. If you have any other questions or queries regarding this power bank, do let me know in the comment section below. Until I catch up with you on the next video, this is Giridhar signing off.